My name is Ray Dombrowski. I'm a graphic designer and I design t-shirt graphics, logos, and lettering for surf apparel brands, fishing brands, and outdoor brands. In this video, I'm going to share my top 4 resources in T-Shirt Design Master Collection 2. Number 4 on my list are the t-shirt logo templates. These are 25 easy to edit logo templates for Photoshop and Illustrator. Number 3 on the list is the T-Shirt Texture Automator, which will apply any combination of 36 textures to your designs in Photoshop. The next resources are my graphic design workshops called Typographic Logos and T-Shirt Design Workshop 3, where I show you how to design custom lettering and t-shirt graphics. All of these resources are part of a huge bundle of t-shirt mock-up templates, logo templates, textures, and online workshop courses. To find out more about T-Shirt Design Master Collection 2, follow the link on your screen. Thanks for watching.